Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my kids' rooms. So I'm going to just put some music on and talk here and there for you, and I hope it gives you the motivation you need to tackle some mess in your house. This used to be my daughter's room, which I did a video a while back, but I switched my youngest son to this room because him and his older brother just didn't do good sleeping in the same room because he'd always wake him up, and my oldest son has to go to school, so this was the best solution. My oldest son and my daughter are in the same room, and they do perfectly fine in the same room. I'm sure there'll be someone to judge on that. On this part, I had clothes in these bags that my daughter outgrew, and I literally had nowhere else to put them but under my son's bed, and it looks like they all got torn out somehow. I'm not completely done with his room in here. I still want to get a few things. I have a storage cube thing that I'm going to put in here soon. And I also want to get this tire looking toy box I've seen. He's obsessed with cars, so. And here is my oldest son and my daughter's room. It is a disaster. My son has like a million stuffed animals on his bed because he likes to surround himself with him when he sleeps. It's the cutest thing. My daughter wanted to join me on their room. That's my mini-me, Madeline. She is a year and 2 months. And I was trying to clean under their bed, which was all toys that dumped out in these buckets under there, so I was just putting those back. Look at her ripping these books down again. That's why they were all down in the first place.
Chasing you on and on, but I don't care, I will let you in. place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in, but I'm your liability. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old.
Did you knock my camera down?
Something.
Yeah? That's bad, baby. No, no, no. Maddie, hey. No, no, no. No, no, no. Bad girl.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone.
Alright, you guys, this is all for this Kids Clean With Me video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things done. And I would like if you would think about subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Bye, guys.